Hello everyone. In our previous video, you saw how you could fill in a form from the Kobo Collect Android app. And now we're going to see how we can access this form or this data and download these data sets in spreadsheet format. So if you log into your KoboToolbox server, you can find the land degradation assessment form at the top. So you just click on it and it gives you a summary of the form. You can see submission summary on the 17th of October and just one submission in total. And if you come to data, you can find the submission, the sample submission we did from the Kobo Collect tutorial video. You have access to all of them. And if you had any geospatial data set, it views here if you had any photos, if we had taken any pictures from the form, it appears in this gallery. But now we're just going to download. So once you click on the download tab, we want to download as a Excel file or a CSV or JSON. We're just going to go with an Excel file, and you don't need to change any other thing. Click on export and it will prepare the selected data set, and all you need to do now is hit on the download button and it downloads. So when we open this downloaded file, we have two major worksheets. We have the land degradation assessment worksheet and we have the correspondent repeat. For the land degradation assessment worksheet, it contains the enumerator information and also the land degradation assessment questions and some metadata like submission time or date, the user that made this submission. And if you can come to the correspondent repeats, this sheet contains every question that has been subcategorized under the repeat function. Remember, we had the repeat function that asked how many correspondents were participating in this assessment, and we provided just one correspondent. And this is a detail of that one correspondent. And when you have this, you're able to make analysis to understand the factors affecting land degradation in any community, in any area. If you had pictures or videos, you can attach to this Excel form, and this is something you can store. On the it's already on the Kobo Collect server, so you don't need to worry about data loss or security. Everything is there. Whenever you need the data, you just need to log into your Kobo Collect server and you can download and you can share with your colleagues. KoboToolbox is a very widely common tool, highly used by a lot of humanitarian organizations like the International Federation of the Red Cross and Red Crescent. So many countries use KoboToolbox because it's very easy, efficient. With a digital tool like this, you can minimize errors in data collection. We believe insights in data are only as good as how the data is being collected. So if you have a data set with very little to no error, and with no error helps in better policy making and help in making better data driven decisions. So thank you so much for sticking to these tutorials. If you have any questions at all, if you need any assistance, you can always reach out to the GEO-LDN help desk. Thank you so much once again, and goodbye.